the week of December 3rd through the 9th, and I have just one set of stickers that I'm going to be using, and it's these ones here with the trees and the pine cones. I'm using these 3 washi tapes here, and then I have a ton of cutouts, so I'm going to lay those out and just actually, I'm going to lay a couple of the pieces out first and then add some washi, and then I'll add some more down. So I'm going to put these 2 here. Let's see. So I'll lay down those first. Try to go right to this black line here. All right. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I haven't done any of my Christmas shopping yet, so I need to get started on that. Where are you at with your Christmas shopping? All right. So then I think I'm going to lay down some of that silver washi tape, this one here. Let's see if I can find the end. Here we go. I love using cardstock in my plan with me's, so I was really happy to do the washi once again. Oops, it's kind of stretched, so let's bring it over a little bit. Let's see, I just did my nails again, and it's leaving marks on my paper. That gets kind of frustrating right here. Let's see. Oops. So this is what the Plan With Me design group. So I will have a link to all the others in the group listed below. So go check out their videos. They would truly appreciate it. It's nice to see how people plan, how they decorate, different things like that. Different materials that they use. That is not very straight. Oh, and that's all I have. So let's see, I'm going to turn that around. Let's see, am I going to turn it around? I think I'm going to grab some more washi. Okay, so I went ahead and grabbed some more of that silver washi, and I have several of these. They were in a grab bag from Michaels. So I laid that down and I cut the little edges off that didn't look nice. So let's see, now I'm going to go ahead and lay out, let's see, the other pieces of cardstock that I have in the places that I want them, and then I can glue them down as well. I don't have a lot of the plaid won't be showing on this side. I've got my little deer here that's going to be on that piece there. Let's see, and then I added my numbers already to the bottoms of each one because I'm going to cover those up. Thought that would be something different to do. So let's see, 9. Gotta go in order so I can see how I want to do them. So 3 down there, then 4. That's 5 actually. 6. Nope, 6 has to be up here. So 6, 7, then 8, and then 9. So that's how I'm going to do them. So I'm going to adhere those down. Actually, I've got to add these too. So I'm going to add them at the same time. So let's see. I'm going to have to cut off the edges on each one. So I do have my X-Acto knife for that. And it'll look kind of like a garland almost going across. There. And here. Here. Then I've got one more for there. Okay, so I'm just going to start adhering them down. Let's see, I'll do this first. Try to get it as close to the middle as possible. There we go. These ones will be the easiest since there'll be a piece on each side. It's these down, the ones down here at the bottom that will not be as easy. Okay, let's see. I don't have much for stickers. Like I said, I only have those the pine trees, so I think those will look nice with this. So let's see. I think I'm going to go ahead and trim the side off. So let's see where I need to do that. I do have a pen here, so actually I'm going to right on the back where I need to cut that off. So let's see. Try to do a straight line, that's the thing. Oops, and I did the wrong side, so this one's going here. And I'll do it again on this side. So I have to remember it when I flip it around, it's the opposite side. So there we go. Okay, so I'm going to glue those down. And I can use these pieces to write anything down that is going on for that day if I need the space. That did not cut super straight, so that's all right though. Okay, so let's see. That one's going to, I'm going to actually bring this down, and then when I put a row of washi at the bottom, it'll cover that up. So it just stays kind of like the straight line on this one does. Add this one down next. Get that as straight and even as possible. Let's see. That's pretty good. Okay. I'm going to do the next ones on this side. Okay. Let's see, that'll go. Actually, I did not need to do that side. I don't think I did. Let's see. If this goes here. Nope, I didn't. So that's fine. It's a little confusing when there's so many papers. Let's see. That one's a little crooked as well, but like I said, there's nothing I can do about that. I can't cut the straightest. Okay. There we go. Let's see, I want to make sure 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I want to make sure they're in order. There we go. All right, 8 and then 9. Okay. That would not be very good if I didn't have my numbers in order. Okay, and then there. All right. I'll do the ones up here. That one doesn't need it. So lay that down first. Probably going to do the deer last. Okay. Okay. Then I've got to cut this side. I think it's this one, right? Yeah. And my number 8. Get him out of the way. All right, I'm going to put the rides down next, the sleigh rides. I'm going to bring it all the way over to the edge here so I have room for my reindeer. Like I said, this plaid below only shows a little bit, but that's completely fine. And then let's see, he's going to be right there. So let's put a little glue on him. Get the legs. Okay. And let's see. There we go. All right, so then I've got these little pieces here. I was going to add them like here so I can have this spaced right. So I think I'm going to do that next. And it's just the back side of this. Put that one there. Up here. I do want that design underneath to show because I just love that. It's so pretty. Oops, wrong side. That one's gonna definitely have to dry before I write on it. Let's see, I think I'm gonna put this one over here. On 7. Let's see, I'll do this here. Let's grab the other 2. Let's see, I need 1, 2, 3 more. So this one. I will do this up here again too, like that one. I have a skinny one for the 8. I will put down here. And one more. And add it towards the bottom. All right. So now I have a piece that I'm going to add over the note section. So I'm going to add that, and then I'm going to have to trim it off. So let's see. All right, and then, so I'm going to trim that off first. Make sure it's nice and straight. Okay. And then I've got just this piece here, just a little decorative piece. If I can pick it up, I'm going to add on to it. It's more of that colorful pattern. That's just going to go here. It will stay. There we go. All right, so I'm done gluing things down. So now I'm going to go ahead and add some washi. And I want to cover up the numbers since I already have my numbers. So I'm going to use this one here. This is kind of a buffalo check plaid. Let's see if it covers up the numbers. I don't want to cover up the days of the week, just the numbers. Yep, that works just fine. And it's kind of a brighter red. And so it does match the red on the little berries. So I was really happy with that because I don't know if I've used this one before. I don't think so. Let's see. And here. Whoops. To make sure I don't move some of these papers. There's a lot of them still will move around because they're still pretty wet with the glue underneath. So let's see. And then I'm gonna add this one at the bottom. Hoping it'll cover up the piece like that one there. So let's see. I can find the end, get the end open. I think that's the end. Yep. All right. I'm gonna bring it right up to that line there. Make sure you can see what I'm doing. Sorry, guys. Right to there. And I have my X-Acto knife, so I will cut that with that instead. Because it's kind of a plastic, so I'm going to leave that one all the way to the end. And then just do this one here. Okay. And this one I can just trim off. I need to move my pen, it's in my way. All right, and then do the other side. This says be excited about everything, but It will be covered up. That's okay. Yeah, so it will go right below those papers. For some reason that one seems longer. I don't know if one side is longer than the other or less space at the bottom. I'm not sure. Okay, and then this side. You probably cannot see what I'm doing. Sorry guys. If you cannot see, I'm very sorry. Try to make sure you can see everything that I'm doing. Okay, so that is at the bottom. So that might be it for washi. So I just have the piece here, those. So it's not as much as I usually use. I don't believe so anyway, but I think it looks good without. So I'm gonna add some of the trees around. So I'm gonna add this here. I've got some pine cones. Let's see. I'm gonna do like this. Little pine cones going all along that washi. Can't see them really well, but I think it'll be nice. Will it be nice? Let's see. Yeah, I think that'll be good. Or will it be too much? We're just gonna go with it. And then I'll trim off the tops. I don't think I'm gonna do it like that. Nope, I'm not happy with it. So they're coming off. Good thing it's on like a plastic type of washi, but it does not stick. I had two options, either to cover the top part with the stickers, with the pine cones to cover up the dates, or to do it with the washi. And I wasn't too sure what I was gonna use, and I just definitely can't do both. So let's see. So I can add a little pine cone here. I'll add a little tiny one by December. There we go. I'll add a few more of the trees, not a lot. Let's see about this little one here. Let me see. I'm gonna see if I even want to do any more trees. So it is pretty busy already without, and I need the spaces that I have one full section, then the little piece here. So let's see. I want to add a little tree next to it. Let's see what it looks like. Nope, I think we're just gonna have our big pine tree right there. I think it's pine. So let's see. And I like the marbling gray on the side, kind of with the black, because there's some black in there. So I think that will be it. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in my planner. Okay, so I went ahead and put it back in my planner, and I really like how this turned out. It definitely is a wonderful type layout or design for leading up to Christmas. I'm so happy with that. Once again, it's with the Plan With Me design groups. I will have that link listed